customer, this is Christine from QLQ company. Today I would like to share you our QLQ automatic zipper cutting and slider mounting machine with lever heads. You can see this is the whole view of the machine. For these machines, the output is about 2,500 pieces per 30 cm per hour. So why do I recommend these machines for you? There has some reasons. For the zipper cutting and slider mounting, if you use the traditional way, use simple cutting machines to cut the zipper one by one according to the required size, and mount the slider by hand, the output just about 5,000 pieces per person per day. If you use the new model machine to cut the zipper and mounting the slider automatically with one machine only. And for the output is about 2,500 pieces per hour. One person can look at 2 to 3 machines. And for the labor cost, you can see here, they have big difference. And if you use the new model machine, it has reduced the cost by about 50%. If you want to know more detail about this machine, please feel free to contact us or come to our booth at Canton Fair. See you!